If you're choosing between two no-code platforms for automation and AI agent building, two names you'll see often are N8N and FLOWISE. N8N excels at general automation across apps, while FLOWISE shines when working with AI agents and large language models. Both offer visual workflows, but which one suits your needs? Let's break them down one at a time. First, let's talk about N8N. N8N is an open-source workflow automation tool designed for connecting apps, APIs, and logic flows. It provides a visual, node-based editor and supports over 300 integrations, almost everything from CRMs to email, databases, and cloud services. You can also add custom JavaScript or code nodes. It's great for building scheduled tasks, data pipelines, trigger-based workflows, and integrating with AI tools via HTTP or Python nodes. While N8N doesn't have native AI agent-specific UI like prompt chaining or RAG capabilities out of the box, it can integrate with AI services like FLOWISE, LangChain, OpenAI, or vector stores to handle LLM-based flows. N8N is ideal if your project spans API orchestration, backend automation, notifications, and general-purpose logic, while still supporting AI through integrations. Now let's look at FLOWISE. FLOWISE is built specifically for LLM orchestration and AI agent workflows. It offers a low-code, drag-and-drop environment tailor-made for chatbots, retrieval-augmented generation flows, and multi-agent AI systems. It integrates with tools like LangChain and Llama Index, supports embedding of memory, state, retrieval nodes, and allows seamless connection to external APIs and databases. FLOWISE includes over 100 built-in components, real-time flow debugging, context management, retrieval nodes, and even modular templates for agents. It's optimized for AI applications, designing chat flows, route logic, tool use, and even human-in-the-loop steps. If you're building AI-first apps like intelligent assistants, document Q&A bots, or knowledge retrieval agents, FLOWISE provides craft tools N8N lacks. Use cases and strengths. Go with N8N if you need broad automation across apps, APIs, and business workflows. Want scheduling, data sync, email, or CRM automation, not just AI. Plan to integrate AI separately via HTTP or custom nodes. Value extensive integrations and flexibility with custom code. Opt for FLOWISE if you are building LLM-powered apps, chatbots, or AI agents from scratch. Need tools for prompt chaining, memory state, RAG, and agent flows. Prefer a purpose-built interface for conversational AI without coding. Community and ecosystem. N8N has a larger, older user base in workflow automation. FLOWISE's community is growing rapidly in AI circles. Both are open source and self-hostable. Well, that's all for this video. If this comparison helped you decide which platform fits your automation or AI strategy, tap the heart icon to give a super thanks. It really supports the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more no-code tool breakdowns, AI workflows, and productivity tools. We'll see you in the next one.